Exciting announcement! Tapcoin new airdrop. Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing the Tapcoin Airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you, a free giveaway. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below now. Let's jump into the video. Tapcoin's airdrop and listing announcement. Get ready for $TPS. The highly anticipated Tapcoin's $TPS airdrop and exchange listing is set for 2025, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of the platform. Eligible users will receive $TPS through the airdrop, and the token will also become available for trading on exchanges, with plans to expand across more platforms soon after. Key highlights: multiple $TPS airdrop rounds. Users can increase their rewards by actively participating in tasks and improving their platform metrics. Each round offers a new chance to earn more $TPS. Exchange listings. After the initial airdrop, $TPS will launch on various exchanges. Expansion to mainstream trading platforms is already in the works to ensure liquidity and accessibility. Preparation tips. To boost your airdrop share, make sure to complete your Tapcoin daily combo. Engage with Tapcoin's daily bounty tasks. Regular participation is key to maximizing rewards. Global success and ecosystem growth. Tapcoins has already achieved remarkable traction with over 15 million players globally, more than 2 million daily active users, presence in over 200 countries. Looking ahead, Tapcoins is building an advanced Web3 gaming infrastructure through several initiatives. Tapcoin's Games Center, a hub for discovering and distributing Web3 games. Tapcoin's SDK, tools that streamline integration for game developers. Tapcoin's Player ID, a decentralized identity system to enhance user control and security. These tools aim to empower both players and developers, strengthening Tapcoin's position as a leader in the Web3 gaming space. Roadmap and what's next. The $TPS token launch is only the beginning. Upcoming milestones include Tapcoin's application platform, seamless integration of third-party apps, ecosystem collaborations, partnering with other platforms to expand utility, staking and earning protocols, opportunities for passive income through $TPS. Tapcoin's DAO, community-driven governance for transparency and shared innovation. How to maximize your $TPS airdrop. Rewards. Want to increase your share of the airdrop? Here's how. 1. Improve your achievement score. Your score impacts how much $TPS you can earn. Enhance it by completing new in-app tasks that award PPH and keys, logging in and engaging daily. Even 3 minutes a day counts. Staying consistent. Inactivity may reduce your reward potential. 2. Stay engaged and informed. Follow updates, complete special challenges, and participate in bonus events to make the most of the airdrop campaign. Tap in, level up, earn $TPS. Prepare now to secure your place in the future of Web3 gaming with Tapcoins. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the Tapcoin airdrop in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. **